Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm sure I'm not the only one which has the issue that sometimes this trunk cover mat is getting out of the hooks and hanging in loose. Sometimes during driving, or also when maybe the car goes a little bit too high. So I found a little bit an easy fix. I found an O-ring. I just took it from an assortment. In the description I will show you what you can buy as a similar thing. So what I do is I go in here with the O-ring just over this, you see, wrap it around here. I did the same thing on the other side, and that keeps the thing in place and it doesn't move out as fast anymore. So if it has to move, it can still move. You won't really break it. I hope this helps. If you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.